Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying whether the game already exists for Android. Check the Play Store and developer channels. Once done, prepare your phone, enable developer options and USB debugging, and allow installs from unknown sources if you will sideload. Make sure you have at least 1/2 GB free and a current backup in case you need to revert. These steps prevent data loss and let you install packages that aren't distributed through the Play Store. Next, focus on acquiring a legal, compatible build. You should contact the developer first and request an Android release or beta access. This is the cleanest path. If the developer provides an APK or sign bundle, sideload via ADB install. Do not use unknown or pirated files. If no Android build exists, consider cloud iOS streaming services or browser-based iOS emulators for test. To finish, install the provided Android package using ADB, a DB install game, app, and place any OBB in Android/OB/package name if needed. Once installed, grant runtime permissions and disable aggressive battery optimizations so background processes run smoothly. Test controls and graphics settings. Lower quality if performance is poor. If it crashes or won't start, clear the app cache, capture logs with a dblogcat to identify errors, then reinstall a properly signed build or revert to your backup. This single troubleshooting step resolves most install issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.